Yeah.
I'll try a trick shot.
Trick
Yeah,
shot
you made it.
accomplished.
How about that, huh?
Nice shot.
What, I go after the
Solids.
8-ball.
Tell him not to.
8-ball in the side pocket. Oh, no good.
You're a good pool player.
It's had no rubbers on here.
Is missing the piece.
Yeah.
There's no rubber on the end here.
Switch with him, Matt, when he goes.
I'm gonna get.
Not bad. Not bad. How do you like the clubhouse?
Nice.
Nice
Good.
shot.
Thank you.
This is an easy one.
Oh yeah. Jeez.
He's not bad. 94 years old, measuring those balls up.
Boys.
Nice.
It works for him.
Good shot.
I get this in the side pocket.
Ooh, that's close.
Thing is slipping.
He's the crusty veteran. Like Johnny
I
Knoxville.
used to play this years ago. It's slipping.
Yeah.
It's slipping. It's no good. They got to get some new rubber tips.
Yeah.
Not bad. Sunk it right in there.
Wait for it.
Look at that shot.
Oh.
I thought he was going to make that.
He's gonna make this one.
Close.
Yeah. It keeps slipping. That's it, I quit.
So,
All right.
Matt, how's it feel to be beaten by a 94-year-old?
I mean, it was a technicality, but I accept it.
I mean, it's not every day somebody gets off their rascal and beats you at 8-ball.
Right before crashing into the pool table. Yeah, it was pretty good. It's pretty good.
But you're a good sport. You're a good player.
Of course. I try.
All right. Hope you enjoyed this pool game here at the Camden Town Center in Kissimmee, Florida. You did a good game there. Pool Shark Al.